Thanks for watching. This is a video just about water propagation. Water propagation is a mid-level skill to root plants and grow them in a bottle so you can see how they grow, and eventually some people keep them in the bottle, some people keep them out the bottle, plant them in dirt, but either way, it's a simple way to grow certain plants. First of all you need is a node. That's a node, that ring, and you can see the root. That's all you need to grow. If you have two, the more the better. Two great plants that you're definite to grow is a snow queen pothos, and this is a begonia, I believe, or pepperoni, I'm not too sure, but they are sure winners if you want to see something grow, just to get a visual aspect. I'm not sure if I want to leave it in, but what you also have to think about is changing the water. So if you have it set up like this, you have to kind of alter the bottles and kind of maneuver them out the way to change the water, because if you do not change the water, usually between 3 to 5 days after anything after that, you're going to start forming a type of smell in the water because it's been sitting stagnant, and the oxygen is depleting out the water, so the roots begin to also start to feel shock of lack of oxygen. So make sure to just change the water every 3 to 5 days and you'll be smooth sailing. I also need light. Light is critical to give the roots energy from the solar panels up top, we call the leaves. That's how everything works. What I have also here is a pine I'm trying to grow, and also have a dolphin pine I'm trying to grow. This is rooting hormone. What you do with this is just take a cutting, stick it in there. I use it because it will help the process. I would rather make everything work than worry about just cutting. I know a lot of people don't use rooting hormone, but I use this to make the cuttings. And also make sure you use dechlorinated water. If you're going to use tap water, let it sit out for 24 hours to have the chlorine go away, and you'll be ready to use that water to start your water propagation technique. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and check me out at Gerard's_horticulture_culture at Instagram. Have a great day.